Hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to This is Africa. And again, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. I don't take your support for granted. And to those who are the members of this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate that. So let me take you to Nairobi. So let us now look at the lower road of Nairobi, which is going to be repaired at a cost of 9 billion Kenya shillings. And it is going to be done by the same company that did construct the double-decker road, Nairobi Expressway, which is the first of its kind in Kenya and in Eastern Central Africa. So what we have heard from the social media or from the mainstream media is that the government has already set aside 9 billion Kenya shillings, and this money is set for the repair of Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway and Waiyaki Way. And this is after the road A104 was damaged by the construction of the Nairobi Expressway. And this is something that came from the Transport Cabinet Secretary, who is James Macharia, and that is after Nairobi Expressway was open for trial basis on Saturday, May 14th. And he said that the highway is going to be restored to its bitumen standards. And this is something that we have seen that is happening already, or it started happening even before Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia confirmed that the funds will be allocated for the restoration of the road. So let us now come to what is going to be repaired or what is going to be done for this lower road. So this repair is going to include an addition of a bus rapid transport system lane, better known as BRT, similar to what we have been seeing along Thika Road. And we also do understand that there is going to be a construction of a proper drainage system. Another thing that is going to include is a pedestrian lane, and they said also there is going to be a lane of non-motorized transporters on the highway, and that is going to be all inclusive. So let me quote what Mr. Macharia said, and he said, I quote, "We shall be putting a BRT in addition to what was there before. We are doing cycling paths, we are doing pedestrians, and so these are additional investments." End of quote. There have been a lot of uproar from motorists who wanted the old road to be restored to serve the lower traffic better. There were also some concern over the state of the highway, and that is including an incomplete drainage system that directs rainwater from the upper deck or from the Nairobi Expressway to the lower road. So Mr. Macharia also added that the contractor will take accountability for where they are doing work as a result of the damage of the old road. So that is what we had. So we do understand that the contractor is going to be responsible for repairing the section that they damaged, but the additional 9 billion Kenyan shillings is going to be used for the construction of the BRT system, pedestrian lane, and also there's going to be an additional cycling path. So guys, that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for your continued support. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.